I think we should take hold of the wheel.
Oh, yeah.
Whee! Ow! Oh man, I love this ride. Need some help? Upside down and all around. Just like on the hard rock. Oh yeah. Ow, ow. Ow. Damn. Ow. Damn, that hurt. There's no tarp on the bumper cars. I don't know what's up with that, and we're going in reverse now. Man, you're facing such a nice community.
Right.
Looks like they're moving here someday.
Yeah. I live not too far from here.
You do?
We're pretty close. I live out in Scripps Ranch, right across the freeway.
Oh.
Whoa. All around.
Yeah, I live out in Star Mesa.
Oh, yeah.
It's only like 5 minutes from here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. The best part of this ride?
Yeah.
When you're going in reverse, you're upside down. Or when the car is turning. Oh, man. Now we're going to go down, upside down. Alright. This POV was shot in Panavision.
Oh, yeah.